Hi guys, it's week 7. We've almost completed our course. This week we're going to be talking about using data to inform instruction. After you have completed the assigned learning activities this week, you should be able to develop an understanding of the types of informal assessments available to determine measurement of specific learning outcomes, demonstrate an understanding of how to use the data from assessments to inform instruction strategies in future planning, and demonstrate an understanding of how data from assessments can inform grouping for future instruction. Your PowerPoint responses for week 7 will be due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Again, there are 6 points. They're listed on this slide. Why do we use formative assessment? List 3 types of formative assessment. Explain how one type of formative assessment that you listed above works in the classroom. What is a summative assessment? List 3 examples of summative assessment. And explain how one of the summative assessments you listed works in the classroom. Discussion forum. Again, your initial post is due Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. and responding to 2 of your peers by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. I would like for you this time in the forum to discuss 3 new things that you've learned in this course up to this point, and also to share any changes that you would make to the course that might make it more beneficial to students like yourselves. Research paper. It is to be submitted on both Chalk and Wire and Moodle. You all chose your topic for your research project on Sign Up Genius. The intent of this assignment is for you to develop a deeper knowledge of the topic than is possible for everyone in the accelerated format of the course to gain. It has to be at least 10 pages long. That includes the cover page and references. A minimum of 5 resources. Please follow APA formatting. If you are unsure of how to cite or reference, please refer to the APA Style Manual, which is on Moodle, or there is also a Purdue OWL website link for you to use. I want you to be sure that you look at the rubric for further requirements and criteria. 90 points are awarded for the research paper and 10 points for your video presentation. Make sure that when you submit the paper through Chalk and Wire that you also complete the artifact reflection, so there will be 2 things on Chalk and Wire for you to do. And also you're submitting to Moodle. You will submit your video presentation through Moodle. Please do not exceed 5 minutes. It's worth 10 points. And again, look at the rubric for the grading criteria. And as with your dyslexic assignment, these are key assignments that are submitted to accrediting bodies. And again, here's my email. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I want you to be successful. Now I want to look at the rubric. Make sure that you have completed all the components under student evaluation. Make sure that you have a professional presentation, it's scholarly work, and your topic is relevant. These are all under the exemplary column. Length, it needs to be at least 10 pages of text including the cover page and references, double-spaced 1-inch margins. All ideas not your own are documented accurately in APA style. Clarity of your paper. The main points are clear and easily understood. A reader who knows nothing about the topic could completely understand it. Consistent, correct spelling, usage, and punctuation. Make sure your paper is organized. Make sure that you show pride in completing work. Presentation. Now, a quality presentation in assigned time limit of 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure that your presentation, you may be using only an oral presentation. That will get you 6 points. If you have a visual and or written piece, that will be 8 points. Both, and do it well, and you get 10. Now, the artifact reflection on chalk and wire. That includes the date that you created it, the associated outcome standard, integrated thoughtful reflections concerning the context, artifact, and candidate strengths and weaknesses. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I want you guys to do well on this. Thank you.